Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a light protein treatment on my hair, and I just want to show you guys how I go about doing it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So guys, in this video I'm doing a light protein treatment on my hair, and I'm using the Aphogee keratin 2-minute reconstructor. This right here says it adds strength and softness in one step. It's quick and effective against heat and chemical damage, and it's also pH balanced. So this is what it looks like. So when I want to do a really light protein treatment, I like to reach for this. So with this reconstructor, it says that you can leave it on your hair for 2 minutes, and it says for extreme cases you can leave it on for 5 minutes. Well, I like to do 5 to 10 minutes under the dryer with this to just make sure that it's penetrating my strands. So yeah, I use this for 5 to 10 minutes. So y'all, I did a demo on this, so afterwards you'll see me using this product. But when you use protein on your hair, and if you watch any of my other videos, you know I always stress to use moisturizing conditioner afterwards. Very important. So I use this, and then I rinse that out, and then I went in with the Curl Talk, their new deep conditioning curl mask. And this conditioner says the deeply hydrating hair mask that all curls can drink up. So I decided to go in with this because it's moisturizing. So I also have this in a demo. But yeah, this step is very important. Anytime that you use protein, you want to make sure that you follow up with a moisturizing conditioner. Very, very important, you guys. So yeah, you guys, so I did start off with dry hair, and then I added my conditioner, and then I went in to add my water afterwards. And like I said, I did the protein conditioner, went in with the moisturizing conditioner, and I also sat under the dryer with this for about 10 minutes. So yeah, and after that, you know, my curls are pretty much soft, they're popping. Yeah, so I got good results. It takes a little extra time, but it's worth it. So yeah, you guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. If you have something that you want to see in particular, leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. 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 Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect. 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 Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think